What do you think this is, dude? Come on.
What's going on, sir?
Come on. Give me what are you doing, dude? 7.
What's going on?
13, 1050. Got your ID with you, man?
Oh, I don't got no ID, sir.
AVL location. I'm not quite sure where it's at. He just switched seats on me.
Why you just stop me? Why you just stop me?
Hold on. I'll talk to you.
Where's my... Hold on. Where's my...
Hey, man. Lean forward for me. Lean forward.
746.
Yeah, what did you stopping me for?
You're detained, dude. All right.
What I'm doing?
You're not under arrest.
Oh, okay. No, you just said detained me.
Okay, well, let me record.
That's fine. I got 3 cameras recording us right now.
Alright. There you go. I don't want to know what this is.
Hop on out. Come out.
Yes, sir.
Quiet, go get mama.
Nope.
Because he just stopped me for no reason.
Nope. I have a reason. We haven't even talked about it yet. Come back over here.
No, let's be easy.
No, you're cool. Right over here. Right over here.
Yeah, let's keep it over here. And say, hi, I just got out of prison.
That's fine. Have a seat right here for me. Have a seat on the ground. Hop on out.
I will.
Okay.
Yeah, don't
Let my baby get out the car. Because you just stopped me for no... What do you mean, no?
Bullshit. Don't stick your hands in your pockets.
I'm not doing... What did you...
Hold on.
Okay.
Tatiana.
Phone.
Okay.
Do what he's doing.
I'm not...
Put your phone in your pocket, please.
That's what I was doing the first
Okay,
time.
well, I don't know that.
That's what I was doing the first time.
Just calm down.
Let my baby get out the car.
Face away from me. There's no need for a child.
Ain't nobody did nothing. We just rolled past the police. What is this?
Have a seat.
No,
Good.
no.
You interfere with my stop, you're going to jail.
No, hey.
Back.
Hey, mom.
Back up.
Mom.
Back
Hey,
up.
mom.
Right.
This is good, sir, please. Hey,
1369, code 3.
Oh, my God.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Can you give me a
You
chance?
don't know what's going on. Stop, please. Don't give him no reason, please. Calm down, sir, please. Don't give him no reason, please.
Can you let me go so I can sit down?
Nope. Right now, you're
Yo, crybaby ass.
Please shut up, Tatiana.
He is.
Why is it right? Because you don't have to squeeze my daughter like that,
Nope.
sir.
Back up.
You don't got
Back
to squeeze
up.
my daughter, suck my... You don't
Back
gotta
up.
squeeze
She's
my
not close. What is you doing?
Back
Look what
up.
happened. We just passed.
He is being videotaped, and I want them to hear that he's squeezing your arm.
For what?
That's fine, because you're detained.
You just how am I detained?
Squeezing on her like that.
How am I detained? What did I do?
But why are you squeezing her?
You can take her.
What did I
She's coming
do?
with me.
Which one?
This one right here with the plaid shirt, she's going to jail.
Yeah, he's squeezing
Oh,
my
man, come on, sir.
So now I am getting along.
No, ma'am, I told you 5 times to back up. You're under arrest.
Oh, man, come on, sir. Please don't do that, man.
Tiara, you
See, Tatiana, all you have to do is shut up. You don't picture.
I didn't do anything.
Tati, leave it alone. I got you.
Yes,
It was all on
leave it
videotape.
alone.
It was all on videotape.
Yeah, ain't nothing going on. The man just pulled us over,
He
man.
just told me to sit down and give me one
Right,
second
he
to
didn't
sit
even give you a
down.
chance to get
You
out
ain't
the
give me
car.
one second to
That's
sit
fine.
down.
Stop.
It's all right.
Jesus Christ.
Thank
What am I
you.
under arrest for?
Thank you.
Because I told you 5 times to back
And I
up from
didn't
my
come by
stop.
you. Did I come by you?
That's not what it is. You
just said
can read about it on your charging affidavit.
I did not come by you, sir. And your camera shows I didn't come by you.
I never said you did.
Yes, you did. You just said you told me to stay back, and I did stay back.
I told you not to interfere with my stop.
Well, I want the lieutenant to come out
That's
and
fine.
watch the tape. Right, I didn't even go over there by him, sir.
All right, where's your ID?
And I want
How am I supposed to get it?
Where? I didn't ask to get it. I asked
I don't
where.
want you on my stuff.
Where?
I don't want you on my stuff.
All right, well, you're going to jail.
Okay.
All right, this one's going to jail. That one's likely going to jail.
Oh, now I'm like this. Now you just heard he said I was going to jail, so now all of a sudden.
Can't wait to see you guys.
All right, you can't switch seats on me when I pull over a driver and you jump in the driver's seat from the passenger seat. You're under arrest for resisting arrest, all right? I have it on video.
How was I resisting arrest?
That's not what the definition
How was
is.
I resisting arrest?
Well,
How was I
you
resisting
interfered with my investigation by attempting to deceive me.
We just rolled past the police.
That's not true. How
We
is-
just, yes, the
other
fuck.
side.
Yes, it is. We just rolled past
Guess
the police.
what?
What are you talking about?
You don't want to ask questions, but all of a sudden you have all kinds of questions. What is it?
I've been asking questions.
All right, have a seat.
Exactly. Got it all on video. Thank you.
Me too,
All
on
video.
3 different cameras.
All on video. All on video. Can't wait to sue you guys.
I can't wait to hear about it.
Right.
I'm not moving till a lieutenant comes. He's going to watch that tape and see that he even gave Tatiana a chance to get out the car. me. I don't trust you.
That's fine.
I don't trust him, sir. I don't trust him. He lied on me in my face.
What's your ID gonna be in, dude?
It's in her purse.
Yeah, what's it? What, like a wallet?
I took a wallet.
When I spot you, I can clearly see you in the vehicle, man. I watch you in the driver's seat, climb over the center console into the back seat and try and lay down. Then I watched her in the... Dude, it's all on video, man. We have 3 cameras that recorded
It's
it.
sad cause I get paid tomorrow and my license gets
and then I watched her in the passenger seat jump from the passenger seat into the driver's seat.
He's talking to you.
I'm talking to you,
I ain't got no
man.
problem with
And
that.
then I watched her in the passenger seat jump into the driver's seat to attempt to deceive me. What's that?
You sure you seen that?
Oh, I'm 1,000% sure.
With tents
I have
on
it
the
on.
phone?
Yeah, I have it on video.
You just said you pulled us over for 10.
Yeah, that doesn't mean that I can't see. Just because they're too dark for legal standard doesn't mean I can't see.
Yeah, but
And the side windows are aftermarket tinted. The back window looks like it's standard factory tint, so I can see through the back window just fine. And that's why I immediately opened the back door and said, whoa, 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 what are you doing?
You see my kid.
What's that?
You got our child in there.
Okay, so you probably shouldn't endanger them like that.
No, we're not. This is her mom's house.
All right, I'm sorry to hear that. All right, so what are you suspended for?
Huh?
What are you suspended for?
No, I just got out of prison. I've only been out.
ID card. What are you suspended for?
Oh, what are my IDs?
Yeah, why don't you have a license?
Oh, a ticket. Oh, just a ticket. I had
That's
to pay
it?
my insurance. Yes, sir.
And how long ago
That's
did
it.
you get that suspension?
Yeah, I owe $260, sir. I swear to God, I owe $260 to pay my license. I get paid tomorrow. I got a forklift job.
All right.
I get paid tomorrow. I was going to the DMV personally.
Open your mouth. Stick your tongue out. You ate the weed, didn't you?
I ain't eat no weed,
Dude, I
sir.
can see it on your tongue.
I ain't no weed.
Stick your tongue out.
Come on, don't do that,
Stick
please,
your tongue
sir.
out.
I'm
Stick your
32
tongue out.
years old,
Stick
sir.
your tongue out.
I'm 32 years
I will
old.
X-ray you right now. Stick
You
your
can
tongue out.
X-ray me. I'm not on probation.
All right,
sir.
so you-
don't do that, please.
Yeah,
don't do
it's
that to me.
tampering with evidence, man. I
I
can see
didn't
the.
put evidence.
The weed is on your tongue.
I have
We
no
both
weed
see it
my
on your tongue. I can smell it as you talk to me, man.
I smoke weed. I don't.
Okay.
I
Do you eat
smoke
it?
Do you
weed.
eat
No.
it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Edible. No, I
right.
smoke. I don't eat no weed. Sir.
All right, listen.
Hey, no
You want to
weed.
know why you're in handcuffs? You want to know why everybody's going to jail? That's why.
You gonna take
All
my
right?
whole family to jail tonight, man.
Man, they made some bad decisions, didn't they?
Oh, that's bad. Wow, that's bad. Man.
Questions are making these statements. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. You are lawfully detained pending my criminal investigation.
I'm sorry.
Please.
I can stand right here.
All
This is
right.
my mama.
She's listening to we have it on
That's fine,
recording.
but don't interrupt.
Okay, I'm not
And all that
interrupting you.
kind of
I'm on the
stuff.
phone.
All right, you are lawfully detained pending my criminal investigation, okay? You understand that, ma'am?
But he damn.
I don't understand because I don't understand what I'm lawfully detained for. If you can explain to me what I did, I don't
I have no
understand.
problem explaining that to you.
Okay, I'm
as long as we can talk like adults.
We could have talked like adults when I was on the
No,
other side
not
of the
when
car and
you-
I never came to you like you
Nah,
said.
no. Hold
You
on.
said I came over there
Hold
to
on.
you, did I?
Nope.
Okay,
I
but
never
that's
said
what you
that.
said, right?
It's on video.
Right, but you
3
said that
different
walking away.
cameras.
You said she's going to jail for...
Are we gonna talk or are you gonna just yell over
Just
me?
answer that question and I answer you. Didn't you say that when that cop came, you made it seem like I was like coming towards you?
Mark
You
can't
said...
be in the wrong. You know that. He
Never
can't
said
be in
that.
the wrong.
You did say that, sir.
No, I said she's coming with me.
Wow.
All right,
Okay,
so
go ahead. Go ahead.
All right. I
ahead.
lawfully stopped this vehicle, regardless if it's your property or not. It does not matter.
Okay.
All right. This
Yeah,
vehicle
you stopped
was
it for 10 and it's been stopped before. It's never got cited
That's
for 10.
not my problem. Okay.
So when one ticket goes, one don't? That's
No.
how they do it?
Not every deputy has a tent meter. I do.
We've been pulled how many times at night and they never... I can't
so
wait.
nobody got
I want the
That's fine.
judge to see this one.
You're more than welcome to see it.
Yes.
It's going to be on video, multiple
Right.
angles. I have videos here,
I have video.
and I'm going to have photos of your tent.
Okay.
When you came out, that's fine. You can come out and watch all you want.
Right.
You can come out and record all you want.
And I was on my
Hold
property.
On. Nobody's refuting that you were on your property.
Okay.
What you cannot, absolutely cannot do, that is clearly written in Florida State statute, is approach and interfere with my stop. So when you've approached my stop on the other side of this vehicle, screaming your obscenities, and I told you
interfered?
5 times
How
to
did I
step
interfere
back
though?
by
Tell me how I interfered.
withdrawing my attention away from the occupants.
Did I?
Still doing what you're doing. Still doing
I
what
stopped
you're
you from
doing.
getting her out the car, sir?
I didn't say that. I said
Okay,
withdrawing
that
my
would be an
attention.
I'm just
No.
not understanding. Please explain to me.
I'm
Hold on.
if you
Let
guys
me know
would
what
stop talking.
Okay, I'm asking a question. To interfere means to stop you from
Nope.
doing what you're doing. To interfere something means I had to stop you, right?
Okay.
How did I stop you?
You withdrew my attention away from my occupants.
But you still was getting her out the car. It shows
That
her on the
doesn't mean
camera.
that I can't
So
do
I didn't
both.
withdraw. How
But
did
it
I
does
take your
not mean that
attention
you were
away?
allowed to do that.
But how did I take your attention away? That's what I don't understand. I didn't
Because
take your
now I'm
attention
watching
away.
you as a possible
But
threat.
still doing what you're doing, so I
Yes.
didn't interfere.
No.
Right.
I can't watch them now. I have 2 people that just switched seats on me in a vehicle. People do that for a reason. He just ate the weed. He just destroyed my evidence because I'm busy watching you. Meanwhile, your other daughter or granddaughter comes over to my back seat, and although I would agreed to allow you to withdraw the children from the vehicle, took things out of this vehicle. Now that may be a child in evidence, a child in a weapon, or just a child. I don't know because now it's already happened.
But my granddaughter
I
said
know
she
that.
could get the baby out the car.
I did not say that.
Who said get the baby? Somebody said get the baby out.
They did. The occupants of the vehicle that are now under arrest said that. So you interfered with my stop. And you want to know why you are in handcuffs. All right. You wanted to talk to my supervisor, right?
Yeah, if you was
He
taking
should
me to
be-
jail. Yep.
He should be right down the road.
Okay.
I'm going to let him review all the videos as well. And here's what happened, because I don't know what you know and what you don't. All right? I've been behind this vehicle since Anderson, over here, all right? I can see its tints are too dark. I'll even throw a meter on it in front of you, and you can read it with me and see that it's too dark. I can tell through my training and how many times I pulled over vehicles that these tints are too dark, all right? I initiated my stop, you got the sign. He immediately came over here and pulled into your yard. That's fine. People do it all the time. They live over here. I don't care if they pull into somebody's yard, all right? As I walk up, and I can clearly see through this back window that has 0 tint on it, the driver jumps into the back seat while the passenger jumps into the driver's seat, attempting to deceive me of who was driving the vehicle, which is commonly related to a crime. Turns out he doesn't have a license, which would be the exact reason he attempted to deceive me. All right, that's a lot of movement in the vehicle that I'm approaching. I don't know if you know, we die a lot. I mean, so
Yeah, a lot of people die a lot.
Yeah,
So
I'm
what
not
was
saying
that-
they don't.
what was that for?
But why do we need to do that?
What was that for, sir?
I'm letting you know
What
that
do you
that's
mean?
high
A lot
risk.
of people, black people die a lot too.
I
So
never
what,
said they don't.
Okay, so why do you say everybody dies a lot? What
Yeah,
do you
so
mean
why
by
do
that?
we need to do
Do
unnecessary
you
things?
admit that that was irrelevant?
Nope.
What
Anyways,
you mean? That was very irrelevant.
are you going to listen or you just want to argue about this?
Wow, we die a lot.
Yeah,
we do too.
everybody.
Right, but
So
you didn't
why do
say
we
that.
need to do things that increase
I don't know. I
our
can't
risk?
answer that question.
So
All I
why
can-
do you need to come and interfere with my stop before you even know what's going on?
Because we die a lot. So I was making sure they didn't.
you can record from
Because
over
we
there
die a lot.
peacefully.
We die a lot. I wanted to make sure they didn't.
Increasing the
I
stress of
wanted
that
to make
stop
sure they
is
didn't
not going to
die.
help anybody.
I wanted to make sure they didn't die.
Okay, I'm glad to know that.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad that
so that's why I
nobody
did.
got
I
hurt.
answered your question. I'm glad to know that nobody got hurt neither.
I'm
so
going
that's
to
why I did
educate you here.
I don't need to be educated. I see what I see on the news. That's all I need. I don't need you to educate me. I
Okay.
probably make more than you. I don't need you to educate me. But I'm not under
I'm glad
arrest.
to
You
know
said
that.
what you did. You said that's why you was doing that. Am I going to jail or you could take this off? But like I said, we all die a lot. And after you said that, there's nothing else. I would never look at you eye to eye
Perfect.
like that again.
Sit still.
Hi.
I'm Paul below. How can I help you tonight?
Yes. So I came out here. He explained why he pulled them. He lied when I guess that cop pulled up. At first he said, she's going to jail, she's going to jail, he's going to jail. But he said I was going to jail for interfering. He said he never said it like that. He came over here, explained. He said, okay, now she's not going to jail. I guess once I said, okay, when they see the video, they'll see that I did not interfere. They'll see that you still yanked my daughter out the car because I still want to yank the video watch. I didn't interfere, didn't stop you at all. So once I guess I calmed down, he came over here and he's talking and he's explaining to me how he feels like an interference. I feel like interfering is stopping somebody from what they're doing. Me and him didn't see eye to eye on that. So his next thing was to come back and say, oh ma'am, I'm sorry, we die a lot. Okay, we die a lot too. So what was that insensitive remark for? It had nothing to do with what we were saying to say, oh sorry man, we die a lot. What does that mean?
So when you came out, were you?
I was very angry,
civil?
yes.
Okay. So you were hostile. Were you yelling?
But I never came. But he said I interfered. Interference. Tell me what interference
So
is.
if I'm conducting a traffic stop and a woman comes out and starts yelling at me to effing eat her pee, yeah, I'm going to consider
okay,
that. I'm going to consider
Would
that
that
interfering with a traffic stop.
But interference ain't stopping. Can we look that up?
No,
So
it
interference
isn't.
isn't to stop
If
one
you are
from doing
directing
something.
my attention away from my task at hand because
But
of
you're
your
still doing your
activity,
task, though, right?
If you are preventing me, because now I have to take my focus off of here with your actions, and I have to shift my primary
But
focus
you
to
didn't,
here,
though. That's what I'm saying. If that person didn't
then
do
you are
it,
asking my opinion on it.
I'm
not gonna debate
So it's
it
an
with you.
opinion. It's not fact. It's just your opinion on it.
Your opinion is that you come up and physically do something. Correct?
No, my
That's what
opinion
you
is
just
saying
said. You
interference. No,
stopped me.
my opinion is saying if you stopped from what you was doing, if me saying, "Oh fuck you, bitch," da 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 da, stopped you. Oh, I can't arrest this person now because she's cursing at me. That's an interference.
No, ma'am.
That didn't happen.
That's
And your opinion is different, so we both have difference of opinions, so we're not going to see eye to eye on. So no, I don't need to speak with you. Am I arrested, sir?
3%. That's going to be up to him.
Am I arrested? Can I? Because I have no clothes on. Because we can't go based off opinion. Everybody has opinions like everybody has assholes. You can't, just like I think that was an insensitive remark for him to say, we die, because we all die. So I think that, but you probably don't think that was an insensitive remark because you just looking at it as he's saying we die as cops. But we all die as anybody. Cops, white people, black people, anybody. So just to generalize y'all lets me know what type of man he is. But in your opinion, it probably wouldn't be that way.
I think you're inferring that in a different light.
But why would you say that? It had nothing to do with what we were speaking about. There was no guns drawn. So you saying we die a lot had nothing to do with it.
If someone pops out of a house and we're in the middle of a traffic stop, it heightens our awareness.
Okay, but at this moment of we talking, he didn't have to say that because there was no guns involved. There was no guns involved.
People don't always use guns to die. That's not how that works.
Can you ask him if I'm arrested, please?
Well, I'm trying to have a civil discussion.
And me and you are only going by opinion. You can't state facts. What he said was insensitive. You're saying it's not.
That's an opinion.
So it's right. That's why I said we're only going to go off an opinion. So me and your conversation is no longer.
What factual conversation are you looking to have? Because you asked me my opinion about his statement. So if you don't want
but
my
you're going to
opinion,
side with him, so there's nothing to say. I wanted to really speak with you if I was going to jail. I'm good. I just need to know if they handcuffs.
He can tell you that
our
himself.
conversation is canceled. I don't need nothing. I don't need nothing else.
Perfect. Then I don't need to provide you any more service.
Thank you. So I just need to know, am I gonna be out of there?
I would say probably not.
Oh, now I'm going to jail because I gave you my opinion. So now I haven't did anything. I haven't disrupted the peace. I haven't did anything. But now I'm going to jail because I gave you my. But I gave you my opinion, and I calmed down when he asked me to.
That doesn't. If I punch him in the face and then I calm down, that doesn't mean I didn't commit a crime.
Every time y'all go to a place, if you shut up or you go to jail. If that person shut up, you never take him to jail. I'm going to jail because I stated my opinion to you.
No.
Yes.
Not in the slightest.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, that is your opinion.
Right. You're right. Wow. So, babe, I'm going to jail because I stated my opinion. Now, he just said before when they put these cuffs on me, he said, no, you're not going to jail if you give me your name. Didn't he say that? Right. But now he's saying I'm going to jail.
Actually, what it says, you probably are.
No.
And you can roll the camera back later if you'd like.
Oh, this is so funny when you call him out, boy.
Call me out?
Now it's probably, you're probably going to jail.
I would say probably not.
But the other cop said I wasn't.
That's just my opinion.
But now that you found that out, now it's your opinion that I'm not going.
You are under arrest, okay?
Oh, okay.
Guess my opinion was right.
Wow. And what am I under arrest for?
They were all taken into custody for resisting arrest without violence and transported to the county jail. Christopher was additionally charged with driving with suspended license. Do you think this whole situation could have been avoided if the family hadn't escalated things during the traffic stop? What you would have done in this situation? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.